Now, let us come to book. Chapter 17, Active and Passive Voice. So, these are the things which we have already read. Okay, see the definitions. When the subject does the action, that is the verb, the sentence is said to be in active voice. Okay, in the first sentence, that is, what was the sentence? The boy kicked the ball. So, the boy is the subject of the sentence and it is doing the action of kicking the ball. So, here the sentence is said to be in the active voice. Now come to the definition of passive voice. When the subject is not doing the action, that is the verb, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. Okay, so in the second sentence, the ball was kicked by the boy. The second sentence, the subject is ball and it is not kicking. The action is not performed by the subject. So hence the subject is not doing the action. That sentence would be known as passive voice. So see the usage of active and passive voice. We generally use active voice while expressing our day-to-day activities. जब हम active voice use करते हैं, when we use active voice, when we are doing daily activities or routine work. Okay. See, for example, I caught the bus to school today and met many of my friends in the bus. So over here in this sentence you can see that the subject is I. The subject is I over here and the action is being performed by I itself. That means the subject is performing the action. Same over here. I subject hai. Action is being performed by subject. In the next sentences also the same thing prevails. Now, in each of the sentences given above, you can see the subject is doing the action. Now come to the usage of passive voice. When we use passive voice, we use the passive voice when we want to make the active object more important. We do not know the active subject. मतलब ये कि हमारा सेंटेंस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट पार्ट रहेगा उसको जब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस शो करनी रहती है तो इन दैट केस वी यूज पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी many people were drowned in the flash floods. Importance to this object. My bag has been stolen. By whom? Or the subject is not known. So in that case we use passive voice. So now let us examine a few more sentences. The dog chased the rat. So the verb is chased. Okay, the verb is chased over here. The sentence, the subject in the sentence is the dog and the action has been performed by the dog. Okay, hence the sentence is in active voice. Now, the boys gave gift to the old people. So again, same verb is gave and the boys are the subject. And same in this also. But the sentence, the subject is doing the action, hence the sentence is in active voice. Now take the next sentence. The rat was chased by the dog. Okay, so in this subject is rat, but the action was chased is not being performed by the rat. Okay, so in that case this is passive voice. Again, see, gifts were given to the old people by the boys. So gifts is subject or given, were given is the verb, but this action is not being performed by gifts. Okay, gifts हमारा जो subject है वो action perform नहीं कर रहा है, so in that case it is a passive voice. Now come to exercise 1. Read the sentences given below and state whether they are in active or passive voice. One has been done for you. The verb has been underlined. So verbs are underlined है इसमें and we have to identify whether the sentence is in active or passive voice. See the first sentence. The horses have been bought at the carnival. So who bought the horses? We don't know. The buying, the purchasing, the action of buying the horses is done by whom? We don't know. So that is why it is passive voice. Okay, that means you can say the subject is horses and have been bought is your verb, but this buying wala jo kaam hai is not done by the horses, so that is why it is passive voice. Okay, now come to the second sentence. The cat killed the rat. So the cat over here is subject and killed is verb, and we can see that the action is being performed by the cat. ये जो action है वो कौन perform कर रहा है? The cat, जो कि हमारा subject है. So in that case this is active voice. Okay, in that case it is active voice. See the next sentence. Kamal sang a lovely song. So Kamal is a subject and sang is verb, and we can see that singing wala jo action hai is being performed by Kamal. So in that case this is again active voice. Now come to D. The trees were cut down by the evil people. So in this sentence we have the subject as the trees and the verb is were cut. But over here the action is not being performed by the trees. जो कटिंग वाला काम है वो trees जो कि हमारा यहाँ पे subject है is not performing that action. So that is why this is passive voice. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this exercise. Try solving this exercise by your own. Now see, when we change the active voice into passive voice, the sentence undergoes two major changes. The subject goes into the predicate and the verb undergoes a change. That means that whenever we try to change the voice from active to passive or passive to active, तब दो changes होते हैं. जो हमारा subject होता है active का वो passive में जाके predicate बन जाता है. मतलब sentence के last वाला जो portion होता है उसे हम predicate part बोलते हैं. So the subject in active voice goes to predicate part and there is a change in verb. That means whenever we talk about the change in verb, it means the change in tense. As I had told you in my previous video, the conversion rule of tenses when we change active to passive. So see over here. See for example, the cat drank the milk. Okay, the cat drank the milk. In this sentence, the cat, ये हमारा active voice वाला sentence है. The cat is the subject, drank is the verb. Okay, so what had happened over here? The cat has just went to the predicate part over here. जो the milk है came to which was the object, जो predicate part में था वो हमारा यहाँ पे subject part में आ गया. And ये जो drank है, drank is which form of verb? V2 form of verb. That means simple past tense. Drink, drank, drunk. इतना मालूम होगा. Drink V1 form है, verb का first form है. Drank verb का second form है and drunk verb का third form है. So we can see that drank हमारा verb का second form है. That means it is simple past tense. So in that case क्या रूल पढ़ा था हमने? Whenever in simple past tense, if the active voice is in simple past tense, was were लग जाएगा. According to the numbers, was were लगेगा. And then we use third form of verb. और हमारा drank का third form of verb क्या है? Drunk. So was drunk. This is how the sentence is going to change its form. So, sorry. Take the second exercise. Change the following active sentences into passive voice. One has been done for you. So see over here, Binay won the race. Binay won the race. So what had happened over here? Active voice. Binoy is subject. This went to the predicate in पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस में जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट था, पैसिव वॉइस में जाके वो हमारा प्रेडिकेट बन गया. द रेस हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट था जो कि प्रेडिकेट पार्ट में था एक्टिव केस में, हैज कम टू द सब्जेक्ट पार्ट, एंड अगेन वन विच इज द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस चेंज इनटू V3 form. Win, won, won. Win is first form of verb. Won, W-O-N again verb का second form, and again won verb का third form. So was, won. Okay. So this is how you have to solve this exercise. Since there are only 4 sentences, I would suggest to do it by your own, because I have given you sufficient example. Okay. Now come to third exercise. Change the following passive sentences into active voice. अब passive को active में करना, that means we have to reverse the rule. See, the medicine was given by the doctor. So यहाँ पे हमारा verb क्या है? Was given. Okay, action कौन perform कर रहा है? The doctor. So and the medicine is a subject over here. तो मेडिसिन में हमको जैसे हम वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट को प्रेडिकेट में ले जाते तो वैसे ही हम यहाँ पे भी ऐसा करेंगे. पैसिव में जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रेडिकेट में चला जाएगा, पैसिव में जो हमारा प्रेडिकेट है वो सब्जेक्ट में आ जाएगा, एंड देन देयर विल बी द चेंज इन टेंस. सो वाज गिवन, वी 3 फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है, ये सिंपल पास्ट टेंस वाला रूल आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, तो इट वुड बी चेंज इन टू वी 2 फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, दैट इज गिव. See the B. The lights were switched on by the watchman. The lights were switched on by the watchman. So again, the lights would go in the predicate part. The watchman would come into the subject part, passive voice में, and were switched. Were switched क्या समझ में आ रहा है? This is V 3 form of verb. Again this is simple past tense वाला rule. So over here we will use were switched की जगह switched हो जाएगा, and the sentence would be like the watchman switched on the lights. The watchman switched on the lights. Okay, this is how the conversion takes place. Since in exercise 4 you have to again do the same thing, you have to change the active sentences into passive. So try to do it on your own, you can do it. And while writing the answers, I would suggest that you can write the answers of these exercises on a piece of paper or a proper page and attach it to the book, so that you can keep the answers safe and your book would not look untidy. And if you face any problem in doing the conversion, you can ask in doubt clearing session. Thank you.